Turnkey vacation rental with stunning Cohutta Wilderness Views. Beautifully updated with stylish finishes throughout, 3 levels of comfortable space allow you to take in the year-round mountain views from this well-maintained cabin. The main level features an open concept floor plan west/access to the large extended deck, outdoor fireplace and hot tub. Choose from 2 expansive ensuites on the main or upper level. Lower level offers an inviting entertainment room equipped with game tables, full bedroom and bath and bunk bed nook. Newly stained exterior, new flooring, and fixtures are a few of the recent upgrades, and with furnishings included, you are ready to relax and start enjoying your new mountain home from day one. Home is not subject to HOA fees and is an easy scenic drive from trendy downtown Blue Ridge.